Hi friends, today we are going to discuss how to solve simultaneous linear equations by using the method of elimination by equating coefficients. In the previous video, we have done with one example and tried to understand. In this video, we will be doing 3 examples and make the idea more clear, and we will be proceeding to the next method in the next video. So here you can see the first example. This is 7x plus 6y is equal to 71. 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 23. So I made this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So as we have done in the previous video, we should take any two variables and we should equate them. So I am taking the variable x and I will try to equate the x value in the second equation as well as in the first equation. So as we have done in the previous video, we should keep brackets and multiply them. We should multiply the whole equation. So 7x plus 6y is equal to 71. So I will be making the x terms equal. So 7x I will multiply into 5 and 5x I will multiply with 7 so that they both become simple, but we have to multiply the whole equation, so we are doing that. 7x into 5 into 5, and the second equation I am multiplying it with 7. So the equation will be 7 into 5 nothing but 35x plus 6 into 5 30y which is equal to 71 into 5 which is equal to 355. And the second equation 5 multiplied with 7, so it will become 5 into 7 which is equal to again 35x minus 8 into 7 is 56y which is equal to minus 23 into 7, it is minus 161. So now we should cancel the same terms. 35x, here the symbol is plus, if no symbol is there it indicates plus, so 35x plus 35x doesn't cancel, so we should change the sign from plus to minus. So then obviously all the signs will change. that is the plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So here plus became minus, here it is minus, so it will become plus, and here it is minus, so it will again become plus. Now 35x and 35x are cancelled, and 30 plus 56x 86 है y, which is equal to 355 plus 161. So 355 plus 161, we are getting 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, 3 plus 1 4 5, 516. So let's try in which table or in which multiplicand it will be solved. So 86 into 6, which is equal to 36, 6 6 is 36, 6 and 3, 8 6 is 48, 51 plus 3 is equal to 51. So it is 86, 6 times we are getting 516. So our y is equal to 6. Now to find the value of x, we should substitute the y value in any of the equation. We can substitute it in any of the equation. So I am substituting it in second equation, that is 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 23. So 5x minus 8, in the place of y I am writing 6, which is equal to minus 23, minus 23. So 5x minus 8 6 are 48, 48 is equal to minus 23. Five x is equal to, I am transposing 48 onto right hand side, so it becomes plus 48, and this 48 will be cancelled because it is transposed to RHS. So we can do 48 minus 23, which is equal to 25. Our 5x is equal to 25. So our x five x is equal to 25. So where 5 and 5 gets cancelled, 5 ones are 5, 5s are. So our x is equal to 5. We got the value of x as well as the value of y, which is equal to 6. So this is the way we find the values of equations, simultaneous linear equations, by using the method of elimination by equating coefficients. So let us move on to the another example. So the example is on the screen. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. You can see, as I have told in the previous video, we should get a one line equation to solve in this method, so that it will be very easier for us to solve. So 5y minus 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1, which is the first equation, and y by 2 plus 5x by 3 is equal to 12, which is the second equation. Ignore the 3 and 2. So now 5y minus 2, 5y by 2 minus x by 3, I can take LCM as 6. I will be taking LCM as 6, and 2 into 3, so 5y also I should multiply with 3, that is 15y. Minus 3 into 2, so x also I should multiply with 2, that is 2x. Is equal to 8. So now let us solve it. I will be transposing this 6 to RHS. Six will go to RHS. So it will become 8 into 6. So 15y minus 2x is equal to 8 into 6, nothing but 48. So now we got a one line equation. So let us make the second equation also in the same way and try to solve them. Y by 2 plus 5x by 3, I can take LCM as 6. I am taking LCM as 6. And denominator of y, that is 2, I should multiply it with 3 to get 6. So when I am multiplying denominator with 3, numerator also should be multiplied with 3. So 3 into y is nothing but 3y. Plus and 3 is the denominator of 5x, and that 5x denominator 3 I am multiplying with 2, so 5x also I should multiply it with 2. 5x into 2 is nothing but 10x. X, which is equal to 12. Let us now make into a one line equation. So 6, if I transpose it onto the RHS, it will become 12 into 6. So let us write it. 3y plus 10x is equal to 12 into 6, nothing but 72. Now we got our second equation, also a one line equation. So let us keep them and solve them. 3y plus 10x is equal to 72. I am writing here 3y plus 10x is equal to 72. So now 15y 3 and 3y, these are a little bit big terms, so I am going to the x terms. So x terms we are having minus 2x and plus 10x. So I should multiply 2 with 10 and 10 with 2. In order to match them, we should multiply the whole equation in the same way. So if I am multiplying this equation with 10, multiplying with 10, and the second equation, that is this equation, I am multiplying it with 2. So if I multiply 15y into 10, that is 150y, and minus 2x with 10, minus 20x is equal to 48 into 10, which is equal to 480. So we will be getting 150y minus 20x is equal to 480. One one 50x minus 20x. So sorry, this variable will be y. 150y minus 20x, 150y minus 20x is equal to 48 into 10, nothing but 480. So I am just writing it again. So, and the second equation will be 3y into 2 nothing but 6y plus 10x. 10 into 2 is equal to 20x. Is equal to 72. So 72 multiplied with 2. 72 multiplied with 2 is 2 2's 4. And 7 multiplied with 2 is 14, that is 144. So here we are having plus 20y and minus 20y. So 20 minus 20 is nothing but 0. So they will automatically be cancelled and there is no need of changing signs. So we can do plus 150y plus 6y, that is 150 plus 6, 156y. Is equal to 480 plus 144. We are getting 4 2 624. So let us see the value of y. Let us try 156 into 4. Into 4. So we will be getting 4 6 4 24 and 5 4 20 22, 4 1s are 4, 624. So we are getting 624. So it is cancelling. 156 1s are 156 4s are. So our y is gonna be 4. So to know the value of x, we should substitute this y value in any of the equation. So now let us take our one line examples. 3y plus 10x is equal to 72. 3y plus 10x is equal to 72. But now we are having the value of y, that is 4, and I will substitute 3 into 4 plus 10x is equal to 72. So 3 into 4 is nothing but 12 plus 10x is equal to 72. Our 10x is equal to 72 minus 12, 10x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60. 0 0 cancel, so x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. So we got both the values of x and y. So this is the way we will be finding the values of the variables. So let us go into another example. So this is not like the before examples. Here we should find the value of x and y, as well as we should substitute that x and y in another equations. So let's read the question first. If 10y is equal to 7x minus 4 and 12x plus 18y is equal to 1, find the values of 4x plus 6y and 8y minus x. So let us take the first equation. This is our first equation. And this is will be our second equation. 10y minus 7 x is equal to minus 4. I am writing it down. 10y minus 10y minus 7x is equal to minus 4. So I just transposed 7x plus 7x to LHS, so it became minus 7x. And the second equation also I can write, but I am writing the x terms in the down of x terms and y terms in the down of y terms. That is, under 7x I am writing 12x plus 18y is equal to 1. I just wrote the x terms and y terms consecutively. So now here you can see that which variables are in the lesser value. So I am multiplying this one or the second equation with 10 and the first equation with 18. So now we are getting 18 into 10, which is equal to 180y. And 7 into 18, that is 126, which is equal to 4 into 18. And the next one, same 180y plus 120x, which is equal to 10 ones 10. So 180y and 180y, they both are in plus, so we should change the sign. That will become minus. So they both will be cancelled. So as we have changed one sign, we will be changing all the signs. That is, here plus 120x becomes minus and plus 10 becomes minus 10. Let's solve it. 126 plus 120. 126 plus 120 120, which is in the x terms and which is equal to minus 72 minus 10, as both are in the same sign. So minus 72 plus 10 I can write by keeping the brackets, that is minus 72 plus 10 it will be bracket so minus 72 plus 10 is minus 82 and 126 plus 120 is nothing but 246x and it is minus. Here it is, both of the signs are minus, so it will be minus 246 x, which is equal to minus 82, where minus gets cancelled, so I am rubbing those. We are getting x is equal to 82 by 246. So let's see how many times x or 82 is going with 246. So let us try 82 into 3. So it is coming, or it's cancelling. So 82 ones are, 82 threes are. Our x is going to be 1 by 3. So now we got the value of x, and so let us find the value of y. So now we should substitute the value of x in any of the equation. So I am substituting the value of x in the first equation. So ten y is equal to 7x minus 4. 10y is equal to 7x minus 4. Seven x minus 4. X is equal to 1 by 3. 10y is equal to 7 by 3. 7 multiplied by 1 is nothing but 7, so I wrote it directly, minus 4. 10y is equal to by 3, that is LCM. So here it is 7 and minus 4 into 3 nothing but 12. Y 10y is equal to minus 5 by 3. So 30y is equal to minus 5. I just transposed the 3 onto LHS, so it became 30y, which is equal to minus y, and 5 minus 1s are 5 6s. So our y is gonna be minus 1 by 6. So let us substitute this y value and x value in the question given in the equation, that is 4x plus 6y and 8y minus x. So now we are having x is equal to 1 by 3. Let's write it. X is equal to 1 by 3 . So now what they asked in the question is 4x plus 6y. 4 into 4x by 3 plus 6y, 6 into minus 1 by 6. So we are getting 4 by 3 minus, here the 6 and 6 are cancelled, so it is coming minus 1. 4 by 3 minus 1, the LCM is 3, and 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. We got our first part of the question given. So we got 4x plus 6y is equal to 1 by 3. Now let us go to the second part of the question. What they asked to find is 8y minus x. 8y so now we are having the values y is equal to minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6 minus x, we are having the value 1 by 3 minus x, 1 by 3. So here we can cancel. Six goes to 3 sir, and 8 goes to 4 sir. So we are getting 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, minus 4 minus 1 is nothing but minus 5 by 3. So now we have the values and we got the values both. As the denominators are same, I have done minus 4 minus 1. So it is minus 5 by 3. So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, friends.